Hello class, and welcome to our first introductory activity lesson. So what we will be focusing on in this lesson is ideas of the American dream that were illustrated in The Great Gatsby, which we've been reading in class, as you know. And then what we want to be focusing on is the American dreams that were portrayed using the character Jay Gatsby. So what this lesson will focus on is what the American dream means to you and others. So this project and this lesson is very heavily based on your own opinion. Please bear that in mind as you progress through this. And then using your definition of what the American dream is, you will find and create some form of visual presentation to share what you have learned and compare to the ideas of the American dream that were illustrated in The Great Gatsby. So essentially what you're doing in this lesson is you will be taking what you think of the American dream and you will be comparing that to ideas of the American dream and the Great Gatsby. So for this first intro activity, you will start this lesson. So this portion will more heavily be done in class, but I'll just be going over briefly what you can be expecting. So to start this lesson, you will begin. So when you first come to class, all that I ask is that you arrange the desks in a horseshoe shape around the room. Following from this, we will watch a quick TED Talk video. I'll show this quick to you here.
So get this. Every 1.2
we love the ads.
3 seconds, a new user goes to Wix.com and starts creating the.
So we'll watch this quick TED Talk video in class. This link will take you there. And then after this video, what we'll be doing is actually what's a quick snowball activity. Now, this is something interesting that I want to try out, and hopefully if it goes well, we'll do this more in the future. For further directions on this, I will refer you to my intro activity directions here, which I'll show you further. This goes into more detail on what we'll be doing for this first activity. So after this video, we will be going through the snowball activity, which is described here. This isn't something that you really have to read too much if you don't want to, because I'll be going over this in class with you. So you don't really have to worry about this too much. Now, the important thing to revolve around this is that this whole activity is to help you refine your own idea of what the American dream is or what it means to you, and ways that you might go about trying to achieve this dream. So following from this, what you will be doing is you will be opening up a Google Doc to write down your working definition of what you think the American dream is, and we'll be going about trying to achieve this dream. So I provided a link for you here, so when you click this, of course you'll have to sign into your own school account. When you title it here, so you'll title it just with your last name, so as you can see here, and then followed by your American dream definition. So then all you'll put here, so you'll just kind of write your American definition, dream definition, and then you'll type it here, blah blah blah, you'll list it, kind of like what it means to you, type it out, maybe some ways that you'll go about achieving this. And then when this is all said and done, what I want you to do is just share it with me through my school email. Then after this, what you'll be doing is you'll have to open up our Flask Flipgrid. I provided the link for here. All you have to do is sign in. And then once you do that, what I want you to do is create a quick short video summing up what you kind of wrote in your Google Doc, what it means to you, and then you'll upload that, and then when you're done with that, all you have to do is respond to at least one other person in the class, just to kind of get an idea of what your classmates are thinking about. And once you have done this, the intro activity is completed, and I will see you in activity 2.